Hey guys, Mopar Man back with the rear camera installation. So this is how we're rocking this. Okay, I plugged it on the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokees. You have a cigarette lighter up back here. I'm not sure if the newer ones still do or not, but I plugged it in back here. This will be a key on only, so this camera is only going to come on when the car is actually on and running. I slipped it in over here. In case you're wondering why this is not in, this is broken. That's, you know, we bought the car used, so this is obviously broken. I ran the wire all along inside over here, brought it out here. I have the camera mounted here, as you can see. So you got the wire running all along here. Bring it out here, mounted the camera. And what I did is I went inside the vehicle, closed the door myself, make sure you definitely have the key, because you cannot push this button, it won't open it from the inside. So you have to have the key to do the double tap unlock, and it'll open it up automatically. And I made sure this didn't interfere with the opening and closing. This is enough wire for this camera to be up here like so, and that way she has the length to open the door completely. And the excess wire, I bundled it up together, zip tied it. You can pull this panel down completely. It's just clips, you just pry it down. And I squeezed all the wires, zip tied them, and I tucked them up inside here. There's a space in here where all these wires are coming down. I tucked it up in there, and now I'm just letting the 3M tape set, and I'm gonna then mount the camera, and then I'll check the feed and make sure it's facing the right direction and all that. So that's the rear camera mounting. It's very simple, very easy, nothing complex. You don't have to go crazy. You can actually just pull this rubber out. You don't have to pry this out. You can pull this rubber out and snake the wire right behind it. You don't need a lot of tools for that either. So that's the rear installation. All right, hit that like, hit that subscribe, save these videos. Thank you so much.